There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and raw performance to create the next generation of a true icon. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in Sting Gray. With 707 horsepower, BI-XENON HID headlamps, LED tail lamps, Brembo 6-piston fixed front brakes, competition suspension, 20-inch black satin aluminum wheels, bright quad exhaust tips, red seat belts, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, select track system, rear DVD entertainment center, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, blind spot and cross path detection, adaptive cruise control with stop, remote start-stop, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, please visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5396.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.